Welcome back in. We all love our furry friends, and during the pandemic, over 12.6 million new households got a new pet, putting an incredible demand on veterinarians. But here now to discuss their brand new pet and wellness clinic, dubbed Dr. Treat, opening up this summer to tackle some of these problems vets we are experiencing, co-founder Hetal Shah and Coco. You probably saw my girl Coco here easing into the shot. Thank you so much, Hetal, for joining us. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for having Coco and me on your show today, Olivia.
Coco seems very excited. Listen, she is the star of the show. She's going to probably steal my job here, but we have to talk about Dr. Treat. Now, first and foremost, for our guests who may not know exactly what it is and what this means, what is so new and special about Dr. Treat?
So Dr. Treat is a pet health and wellness startup. We're on our way to reshape the veterinary industry. We're going to open our first flagship veterinary clinic next week in Cow Hollow in the Marina. And basically how we're doing things differently is we're going to offer preventive care in a really personalized manner through our veterinary clinic and also through our virtual care platform.
And which are all amazing new things and new pieces of technology that I'm sure are going to change the veterinary world as we speak. But let's revisit this number that I mentioned really quickly. Over 12.6 million new households got a pet this year. What kind of problems did you notice that veterinarians were experiencing?
That's right. So we were one of those cliched 12.6 million, families or that, got a pet during the pandemic. So we got Coco in December of 2020, and we realized through firsthand veterinary experience that, access to care was limited and also inconsistent. And so for us, as a new pet parent, and after having 2 kids especially, it was just really clear that the veterinary industry, was a bit had some glaring gaps, and so a lot of care was just provided on a reactive basis, versus a proactive, preventive care basis.
And what is the biggest difference between reactive and preventative care when it comes to care for your animals?
Reactive, like when we got Coco, and especially after having 2 kids, there was no what to expect when you're expecting. The vet really, providing a lot of tips and hand-holding, as a pet parent where that information was just, missing. Like, what do you, how do you get your household ready for a new pet? Like, what do you do, during the initial few months? Like, how do you, transition from kibble to fresh food if you want to? So a lot of that, guidance was missing. There was just a lot of emphasis on, vaccines and basic, care that was required, but there was just the level of personalization that ties into whether it's breed specific. So Coco so she's an Australian Labradoodle, but when we ran her genetic breed test, we found out that she's only 6% Lab, 50% Poodle, and then 40% Cocker Spaniel. So what are with her genetic makeup, we also found out that she's prone to this disease called IVDD. So a lot of with that information, there was no preventive care tips provided. And so, for us, at Dr. Treat, we want to offer personalized care based on, the vet really understanding and studying the current, medical history. And also with genetic breed testing that's going to be available for all of our Dr. Treat members as part of that membership plan, the vet can now tailor exactly what the dog or cat is going to need. So whether that's providing on top of your vaccines and annual wellness exam, whether there's additional dental cleaning, additional nutraceuticals, or whether it's lifestyle changes, food changes, or other supplements that they're going to need, etc. So that's like the level of detail that our vets will provide as part of our our personalized veterinary plans.
Which is so incredible that you guys are going to offer that personalized care. Something interesting you mentioned, how each breed, you said you did some tests on Coco here, realized she's actually not even the breed you originally thought, which means different breeds have different needs.
That's correct.
So me being a dog mom of 2, I understand completely how you need to know breed-specific information. So Dr. Treat is going to offer that. And just quickly, why was that such an important initiative when it came to the founding basics of what Dr. Treat is all about?
So I think that's very important because, as we know, we all, feel like the unconditional bond that, our furry companions offer, but they don't talk.
Yeah.
And so for us, I wish they did too. I wish, someone, could invent a device or something that, we could actually hear them.
I would love to know
talk
what they're
to us. But because, they can't talk to us, and a lot of what we, found from a lot of, or discovered from a lot of vets was that dogs and cats are really great at masking a lot of illnesses and pain, and so a lot of when they're really, really sick, that's when you discover issues that they're going through. So as part of the genetic breed tests, we want to understand what is it that they're going to be prone to? How can we get in front of that? How can we make sure they're they're on the right care plan? So for us, that was very important, and also knowing that we just have a finite amount of time with our pets,
babies, yes.
with our babies, and so she's truly my 3rd child. So I just want to make sure that she gets the best care, and as I do so with my kids, where I'm on top of their appointments, their lifestyle, nutrition, everything that goes to raising a healthy human. I'm applying the same care for Coco.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Hetal, for joining us here on Live in the Bay and giving us some insight on what people can expect from Dr. Treat, which will be opening up next week.
That's correct. So we're going to open our flagship clinic on August 5th. And so it is a membership-based clinic, and we are, signing up members. And so with the $250 membership, you get, the genetic breed test, which is included in every membership welcome box. In addition to that, pet parents don't pay for any exam fees or any, urgent care fees or any fees. Additionally, our app lets you book appointments. You have access to medical records, visit summary after each visit, being able to renew prescriptions easily via our app as well. And then lastly, via a 24/7 virtual care platform, which is also integrated into our app, you have access to our veterinary care team at your fingertips. So any questions that you have, you can reach out to.
You can reach out. Amazing. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate your time, and thank you, Coco. We hope to see you again. To connect with Dr. Treat, we will have a link on our website.